Una well done, my people. Now me, Mary Deba. I just still come and follow una talk. I just still come and follow una talk one issue wey be say I don't fair talk about am because this one is the part 2 of this talk where I want to talk about now. So if you don't watch the part 1, you don't feel watch the part 2 because I want make you understand what I dey try to talk. You see, what I really want to talk about wey still concern the first topic wey I first talk about because I dey see some girls here, they really get money, they don't make money. Then una go dey, una wan just put una money for inside hole. Una no know wetin be investment, una no know how they take dey invest. In fact, see people for Nigeria, how much they take start their business, how much they can't take reach top, how much they take start their business wey they take reach up today, wey they come be who they be today. Be say we wey dey this Europe, from the one wey we even dey get, all those girls wey they really get money, una no fit invest. Una just see one man, una just run follow am. So they say all these our artists, as I first talk and just now, someone they will follow the ones the man say the artist say they go Nigeria next week. You see our guests money where they don't work, they'll gather all of them, they'll go buy tickets, they'll go lodge for hotel, follow the man go hotel, they won't go lodge. Man will be say tomorrow he go still marry another woman. Who tell you say now if only you and I be even be girlfriend safe? They go lodge for hotel for Nigeria. Their parents don't even know say they Nigeria. If the man use you do rituals uncle, in fact, now very shameful to say you even do Nigeria, you die for one hotel. As you die, your parents don't even know say you did Nigeria. Some of them will follow man come up for you go lodge for hotel. The man go they squander your money. Man when no feel hard to money within your pocket. Now leaking hole that the man be to your life. I don't understand girls who the one that take care money, una no fit use and establish. See that but all the way vote on say that man a forehead he gets. That man not get forehead, una from small now he starts. Now it be. You know see as he name the rain, that go thing. And no, you don't need to wait when you first get big money first, because the one you don't get. You suppose don't establish am. Not be the one go the children put for one man pocket. Now not get sense. The man wanna they give the money. Now not say that they build hotels. That they build houses, they put on for rent, that they establish for their self. Wait to take train children where another woman want born for them, not the one where you want born. Because I feel say he no even put hope on you. You put hope on the man say you go born for him. But the man, for his mind, not be you even want. He no need you. He no get form one I even feel. Say 12 una go marry. As for all these men where they use juju to they cash all these girls, they collect their money. They go they meet Babalawo. Maybe Babalawo they give you one thing or the other. Sorry. Maybe Babalawo they give you one thing or the other. When until they talk to all these girls, you can just imagine. Person will all these girls when they do all those things. Tomorrow, night day important. So no. I really don't see person where be say you use something whole girl, you they collect the money. The guy they sick now. But he deal with the same girl because the girl can't revenge. I think that guy gets stroke now. But he dey abroad there. Now the girl that they take care of her now. See, men, more na dey careful. The way una take dey, if una see girl wey get money, the way una action take they run after the girl to collect the girl money. Now, instead of una go make plan with the girl, but una just want collect her for una pocket. So that una fit make use of the money, una fit build house, do anything una want to do. But that girl will get the money, because some girls they foolish. As I see talk, they no get sense. Especially those ones where they buy tickets, they run follow men, they go Nigeria. So Ojo even they say Ojo only buy ticket for nothing sake. They want go meet all the artists where they Nigeria. They enter car, they run up and down for nothing sake. They don't get plan. They don't get any plan at all of what they go to for Nigeria. Here where they just stay here, they know one artist, they find another artist, we go connect them to another artist. Just don't go squander their money. Not be saying that me work the money, I don't work about. Now shameful thing to most of our girls. Una just if you pass that 4 flat or 2 flat one build. Una not get any other investment. Now investment now be the most important thing. Invest your money. More than the investor for the investor for the men. More than one of the investor for now. You can cook soup. The man go barb good hair. Wear nice bossers. Carry the remaining one, put her for you and say, now this one I give you. You go carry and go Nigeria, take go do better thing. You get children where they train, your own children where another woman born for them. What about you? You know they think about yourself. You know they think to establish, use that money to take do good thing. Even if it's in a groundnut office, now you get now office. you get workers. I know of one woman those days for those states we get plenty women where the woman dey fry akara. It get plenty women where they work for long. They will go cut akara, go sell am for many other villages, market village. They go still enter motor. But if that woman say na person wey really want do that business pass that one, e get the way go take buy land, build am, do am on another way. I don't know how she don't take do am now because she don't say where I don't see whenever go that area, or might say don't say I don't go Nigeria. But at least even in a groundnut office, anything where you put down like this, just think of your profits, what you will achieve from it. If you say you give man money, now man that be your benefit. Many people will give man money where they did today. Nowhere. Some of them don't run go Germany. Germany never even accept themselves. Some of them don't run go another place. Oh land, they suffer, they go carry their children. So when wasted they get the money now. My advice to you is for you to establish. If you don't know what you want to establish, find who go show you road. Not be all those boys wanna they follow, because all those celebrities where they abroad here, we say they be artists, they know they willing to show any woman road. How you want to become celebrity of your own, or how you want to become somebody of your own, they are willing to kill yourself and take your money. They go just kill you, they'll collect the money. May one artist for year, may a year say you get 40,000 euro. It go fast, you'll take damage your life, collect the money from you. So Nigerian girls, I give you this piece of advice. Beware of all those artists who they don't follow, or especially the way they Europe here, and they don't follow them. So they careful. I don't say they're not good though. They don't do me anything. But all I know that they're after your money. They not chop my own. I don't even know them. I don't want to even know them. But I'm only advising you people, for those who are running after those men, that because most of our girls, they want men that have make name, men than maybe their name don't they exist for long. So I beg my people. So I just pray, may the wisdom may deal with Namona. You know, when I come across this video, the Mona still gets a little, at least Mona still get something from the video. So watch Ibota TV.